If you're a homeowner in Southern Utah, this is what we do in our heating comfort care package for you. First, we replace your air filter. Standard is a 1-inch air filter, but if you want to get something bigger, we recommend a 3-inch air filter, you can. Next, we calibrate your thermostat, making sure that it works how you want it to and how it needs to. Then we start up your furnace, and when we start up your furnace, we're going to go ahead and verify the static pressure. We're going to verify the temperature differences between your rooms, and we also check the startup amps and volts. Your amps and volts are your energy consumption, so if you're using too much or too little, we make sure it's just right. Then we go on to the blower motor. Blower motor, we're doing the exact same thing, amps and volts. Next, we're going to do the inducer motors. Same thing, amps and volts. Then we do a whole bunch of tests, like the pressure switch, which works with the inducer motor that we talked about before. Then we go on to the furnace safety switch. That's like a huge red abort button for the furnace. We also have the furnace igniter, a little bit self-explanatory, that helps start the heating. Then we go on to the door switch. We also do the indoor transformer and the gas pressure. Then we're cleaning some stuff out, like the flame sensor and the blower motor and its cavity. Then we also do 3 things with your circuit board, which is in your furnace. First one is we test it out. We also inspect it visually, make sure that nothing's there that isn't supposed to be there. And we set it to manufacturer standards. Then we also move on to a whole bunch of inspections. We inspect the plenum and ductwork. This is what actually gets your airflow from your heater, your furnace, throughout your home. We also go on to the heat exchange, the indoor evaporator coil, the flue piping, this is like exhaust piping, the gas line connection, the furnace surge protector, pretty self-explanatory, and the air purification system if you have one. Then the last 3, we go ahead and adjust the airflow dampeners. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's really to control where airflow goes, not to stop it. We also verify humidity. So if you have a whole home humidifier or just in general, we check that stuff. And lastly, we give you an official green sticker certification showing you the work that we did today. Get your $59 heating comfort care package by clicking the button below, answering some questions, and then getting your service within 48 hours.